See here, a truck is starting with the what they are saying. It is starting from a rest position, correct? So that means how much will be my initial velocity? Zero. Understood or no? And it is how much kilometers it is traveling? 400. I will take this as displacement. Okay, this is my displacement. Truck's initial velocity is zero. Initial velocity is zero, and it is displacing 400 meters. It is displacing a 400 meters. Time is a 20 seconds. I should find acceleration. Okay, I should find acceleration. A is equal to question mark. Now, whenever I have a displacement, we have a new formula. This we have studied before also. Displacement is equal to ut plus half at square. Remember this formula? So why did I write this formula? Means because it didn't came out of nowhere. It came because we have displacement. Getting or no? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now S is equal to U is how much? 0. So 0 into T, 0. This will definitely go outside. Understood or no? Why left this? Hope it is. Ut is gone now. Now what's the meaning? Half 80 square. Now in this what I want? I want A. I want only A. Now A is equal to, first 2 will go here, 2S, 2 went here, 2 went here, 2S, by A will come down, T will come down. Sorry, A is not there only, T square. Understood or no? A is here only, 2 went in numerator, T square went in denominator. So we got a new formula of acceleration, that is 2S by T square. Getting or no? Understood what I did? Till here, any doubts? Easy? Okay, why did I took this formula? Means we have displacement given, or else I would go with that formula only. Now I don't have force also, I don't have mass also. So taking that formula was useless for me. As I took that formula, we couldn't do anything there. Okay, next. Now I have a formula. A is equal to 2 into, how much is S? How much is S? 400. Okay, by how much is T? 20 square. That means 20 into 20. 20 into 20. 20 into 20 is 400 only, no? Yes or no? 20 square is 400. So 20, 20, 400 cancel. What is remaining? So acceleration was how much? Square. This was our acceleration. How is the sum? Easy? Okay. After finding acceleration, what I should find now? Force. Now I can find force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. How much is mass?
1 ton. 7 tons.
7 tons. Now he has given 1 ton is equal to, I will write it here, okay? 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs. 1000 kg. Like that, 7 ton is the mass of the truck. 7 ton is equal to 7000 kg. So mass is 7000 into acceleration is 2. How much it is? 7 to 14,000 newtons is the force. Understood? You have set of formulas in physics, but where to apply what you will understand when you start solving. Getting or no? If you take one formula, if you get stuck, try to implement new formula. Try to implement new formula. Then you will end up somewhere. The displacement distance both are same. One ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ. S is equal to ut plus half at square. ಇದು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಂಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೇ ಟು ಗೋ. ತಿಳಿದ್ಲಾ? ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂದಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನಡೀತಿದೆ. Read next question.
A stone of 1 kg is thrown with a velocity of 20 meters per second.
So mass is how much, sir? 1 kg.
Velocity 20 meters per second.
Read that once again. A stone of
A stone of 1 kg is thrown with a velocity of 20 meters.
So is it initial velocity is how much, sir? 20 meter per second.
Across the
Okay.
foreground. Cross the frozen surface of a lake that comes to rest of by traveling the distance of 50 meters.
Distance means again yes, 50
Meters.
meters. Here, yes means distance. Don't confuse it by speed. Yes means distance or displacement. Whatever you want, you can take. Getting or no? Yes, yes. U means initial velocity. V means final velocity. Now try to understand the question. There is a mass 1 kg stone, patthar, okay, 1 kg stone, and he has thrown it, okay, he has already thrown it. So initial velocity is how much? 20. Now it is flying at 20. It is flying at 20 now, and when it rests, ಅದು ಹೋಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, it should go and fall at some place. If it falls at one place, its final velocity will be 0. So its initial is 20, its final is 0, its mass is 1 kg, and its displacement is 50 meters. If I throw from here, it has reached how much? 50 meters. Getting? That is the question. Now what is asking me?
What is the force of friction between
Force.
stone and
Correct? Again, is asking force. So force is equal to mass into acceleration. So do I have acceleration? No. First, what I should find? Acceleration. So we have new formula here. That is v square minus u square is equal to what? 2s. These are all displacement formulas. I hope you remember. Motion chapter ಒಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಾವೆ. These are there in motion chapter. 4 formulas are there. Okay, if you know that, then only you can do this, or you can remember now also. 2a, yes. Now this is the formula that you need to update in your last page. Understood or no? Again, we got a new formula now. Now what I am finding in this? I want a. I want a. So I will keep a here only, and remaining everything I will shift. V square minus u square by 2. Yes. Correct? Correct? I kept a here only. 2s came in the denominator. 2 and s came in denominator. Now this is my new formula. This is my new formula. I will try to apply all the things now. A is equal to how much is b? V is how much? 0 square minus u is 20. 20 square by 2 into s is 50. Understood or no? Understood how I did? Okay. So 0 leave it, minus 400 by 100 minus 4 meter per second square. Acceleration will be always meter per second square. Velocity will be always meter per second. Confused? Don't get confused. Acceleration is different, velocity is different. Okay, little bit. Understood the acceleration now? So we got acceleration. Now what I should find? Force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. How much is mass? 1 kg. 1 kg. Okay, into force. Easy. Right, take it. Read next question. Sit quiet. Next question is very very important and little bit lengthy. Try to understand that. Okay, read.
8,000 kg engine gives a train of 500.
See here, engine mass. Okay, the engine's mass is how much? 8,000. ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ ಕುಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕೇಳ್ತೈತಿ, ನೀ ಆವಾಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕೇಳ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾ ಆರಾಮ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಗಪ್ ಕುಂತ್ರೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಆವಾಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಲಿಸಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. Okay, so sit quiet. Read. The engine, see here, a train is there. Full train mass ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, only the engine mass is how much? 8,000. That means first bogie contains how much? Engine 8,000 kgs engine. Okay, next.
Pulls a train of 5 vehicles, each of 2,000 kg.
See here, I will explain the sum. Okay, first I will draw and show. First here engine is there. Engine is how much? 8,000 kg. Engine is 8,000 kg and it pulls a wagons. How many wagons are there? 5 wagons are there. Okay. 5 wagons are there. Each of
2000.
2000, 2000, 2000, 2000. Okay. Each of 2000. Understood or no question? This is how it looks. Okay. Now next.
Along the horizontal track with the engine exerts a force of 40,000 newtons. And
So
the
engine is what the engine is exerting.
exerts
So force is how much?
40,000 newtons.
40,000. Okay.
And the track offers a friction of 5,000 newtons.
See here. Now this is very important. Now friction is also there. How much is the friction the track is offering?
5,000.
Now what is the friction in the track? That means what? The opposite force. Now to travel. Okay. You only think. Now if I have to ride a bicycle, I should paddle it or no? When I paddle it, I will feel the force opposite to me, or will I feel the force is like this? Always force will be opposite for me, yes or no? So only we are paddling harder. ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಬರತೈತಿ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಅದು ಹಳಿ ಏನಂತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅದು ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಅದೇನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾರ ಅದೇನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡ್
Then calculate the net acceleration force.
ಸೊ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ನೆಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಲರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ acceleration is equal to question mark okay net acceleration force. Now what I should do means first let's calculate the calculate ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಈಗ first net force calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ okay I will divide the question okay first net force let's calculate net force. So let's calculate net force. So how the train is exerting how much 40,000 Newton. Sit quiet. The train is exerting 40,000 newtons of force, but it is not the net force. It is the force, but we have opposing force. How much is the opposing force? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ opposing force. Opposing force. Opposite force is how much? 5,000. 5,000 Newton. So minus 5,000. So how much is the net force? This is our F net. F. Understood or no? What did I do? Try to understand here. First force is given. Force means what? Just it is a how much train is moving? It is moving at 40,000. But the opposite force is not there. How much is the opposite force? 5,000. So the net force that is acting on the train, that is how much? 35,000. ಈಗ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು 100 ಕ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಏನೋ ತಿಂದ್ರಿ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ 100 ಕ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 100 ಕ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತಾರೆ 100 ಕ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 30-40 ಕ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 30-40 ಕ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಉಳ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಪಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ತಿಳತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಟ್ರೇನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ 40,000 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 5,000 ಸೊ ನೆಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ F net is 35,000 newtons. Understood? Okay, next. After this, what I will find? Mass. Net acceleration. Okay, they are asking us net acceleration, correct? Net acceleration. Net acceleration. Now, how much is it acceleration they are asking? To find net acceleration, first, there is F net. This is our force. Force by how I am writing this here? F is equal to mass into acceleration. Acceleration is equal to F by m. This only I am writing. F means F net. Mass means mass. Total mass. M means what? M represents total mass. Now let's calculate the total mass. Okay. Let's calculate total mass. Here I will do. Okay. Total mass. M means a total mass. Tm. Total mass. First is how much? Engine is 8,000, 10,000, 12,000, 14, 16, 18. So total mass is how much? Understood or no? So this is the total mass. Definite is how much? 35,000 by mass 3 zeros. Correct? Then what I can cancel? 35 by 18 you do better. Everybody do 35 by 18. 35 by 18. 35 by 18. 11.94 you will get. Understood or no? 11.94 meter per second square. Now what did I do? Once again I will try to explain here now. Don't write, just here. What did I did means first mass is given, force is given. This force is total force of the train. Train's force is 40,000 Newton. Opposite force is 5,000 Newton. And they are telling me to calculate the net acceleration. Acceleration means F by m, we know that. But I didn't know net force. I know force. Force is 40,000, but this is not proper. It's not net force. It's not net force. So I calculated first net force. Net force is equal to 40,000 minus 5,000. 35,000 is net force. Afterwards I have put here mass I added all of this. I got mass as 18,000. So net force by mass. That we got answer. Understood what I did? ಹೇಳಿದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡೋದು ಚಲೋ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರಲಿ ನಡೀತದೆ ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ first block. Understood? This is our question. So first again force I should find. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. So do I know acceleration? I don't know. Correct? So I should find the acceleration of these blocks now. Correct? So acceleration first let's find. Acceleration is equal to what? Acceleration is equal to any idea? How to find? How to find the acceleration of 4 blocks? Okay, see here now. Third one. First, one thing we know that net force is how much? Net force is 35,000. So 35,000 is the force acting on all these blocks. Correct? Now how many blocks are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So there are 5 wagons. Wagons I'm taking at A. Getting or no? 35,000 is the force acting on 5 wagons. So I can calculate here. A is equal to how much? 35,000 divided by 1 second. 35,000 divided by 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. Correct. Okay. 5, but wagons also I should calculate. Okay. So 5, how many wagons are there? Total wagons are how much? 5. But each wagon has how much weight? 2,000. Okay. 5 into 2,000. So this is represented by acceleration. Understood? So 5 into 2,000 will come here. This came down. Okay. So acceleration is equal to how much? 35,000 into 10,000. 3 zeros gone. A is equal to 3.5. 35 by 10, 3.5. 3.5 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. Get it? So each block has been pulled by how much meter per second square? 3.5. Next, mass. Now again mass we should calculate. How much is mass? How many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks are there. These 4 are putting weight on this. Correct? So 4 into 2,000. Each block is 2,000. How much it is? 8,000 kg. So this is mass. Okay. So last force is equal to Mass into acceleration. How much is mass? Do this. Do that. Do that fast. Be quick. 28,000. Very good.
No, the Vulcan is to be stopped with the negative acceleration of 1.76.
Okay, there are only two aspects given for us. One is mass is how much? Mass of the vehicle is 1500 kg. Directly they are given. And acceleration is? Acceleration is? Why did I took minus? Because he is telling negative acceleration is there. It's not a positive acceleration. It is negative acceleration. So I took it as minus 1.7 meter per second. Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay. So I should calculate force. Force is equal to? I have both the things. I have both the things. Okay. So how much is mass? Into acceleration multiplied 25,500. Okay. Easy. ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ? So today I will stop here. ಹೌದು 2550 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಏನೇನೋ ತಪ್ಪು 2500. Their answer 25,500 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 1,500 into 1.7 2,550. Correct. Okay. This is the answer. Minus 2550 Newton. 2550 Newton is the answer.